I'd like to share a little bit of my meditation process with you. I mainly use pictures, dots, or Asemic writing. So this morning I'm going to share the secrets of my Asemic writing with you. Let's write a word. See, you can't recognize the word at all. The whole purpose of Asemic writing is to disguise your words in a way so that nobody can read it. Let me show you the word in my normal writing, cursive writing. After. The word is after. Now there are many other ways you can actually disguise your word. You can enlarge the ascending or the descending shapes of your letters. Isn't it funny that now that you know that word was after, that all the other words look like after? Especially if they have the same shape. I would suggest grabbing a piece of paper and a marker and just try it out for yourself. See how you can disguise your handwriting. Use bigger shapes, smaller shapes, extend the ascending curve and drop the descending down as low as you like. Make them puffy and fat and enlarge them in a way. And then your regular vowels and consonants, just condense them a little bit. Try and disguise your handwriting. So go ahead and grab a pen. Practice with me. That was easy, wasn't it? We filled a page. You learned something about your handwriting that nobody still can understand. It's time to go over into a little bit of creativity. Here I have a black paper and a purple chalk marker or a window marker. You can find them in any supermarket. Now use that to write on the black paper. Just scribble away with your Asemic writing. Get some thoughts out. This is not a goal-setting piece of work. This is scribbling out stuff that's going on. It's a way of clearing and cleansing. You'll see that I go forward and backwards. I even make shapes like extending to the next word without leaving a space. That's quite fun. I encourage you to actually do that as well. It gives your words or your sentence some fancy looking script. I think one day when someone discovers these papers, we'll look like we're famous writers from ancient times and nobody is yet to discover our writing. You'll see that using sharper movements sort of depicts more erratic, wild feelings. You'll feel it in your pen when you're writing. the sharper your edges and the more up and down fast strokes you make, the more it will feel like that wildness. You'll see when you start using curved words or curved shapes, it feels more softer, more elegant, and you can combine the two. You need to discover your own Asemic style, if I can put it that way. You can literally fill pages, fill in blanks, just grab even a half a piece of paper when you're standing in front of a situation, or if you're stuck creatively, get yourself a colored Koki or a marker and just go for it. You'll soon see that your hand is warmed up, your mind is warmed up, and you feel like doing something about it. I'm just filling in this page and starting a new one with another color, of course. What would creativity be without color? I urge you to explore and find a writing style that you know it's yours, but even if you yourself went back, you'd never be able to read what you wrote down there. And that's the whole thing. The big secret about Asemic writing is you don't have to know what it says, you have to feel what it says. Sometimes when I get new markers, I actually use the Asemic writing to test the colors or to activate the markers in this case. They are brand new, so I don't think I've shook them up enough or ejected the color enough. You'll see I'll just put the marker down if it doesn't want to work, just for the sake of this video, and just grab the next color and write over previous text, enlarging or making the text smaller or larger, just adapting it a little bit. In the end, we'll have a lovely collage piece that you can use in other artworks or other collage works, and you can just have fun on your page. Create a colorful scribble that is uniquely your own. Don't be afraid to mix colors and layer colors. It's your piece of work, and I know, and I can tell you now that while I was writing this, I started feeling happy, and it's exciting. I'm not even staying on one line. I'm filling in gaps in between, just to make it look pretty to me. And you can do with your paper anything you want. You can even turn your page and write the other direction. Almost looks like graffiti, don't you think? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something today, and please use it.